Hello, amazing parents. I wanted to show you a super simple movement that you can try at home right now to help your child with developmental delays or disabilities learn to roll over. I'm Jen Stewart. I'm an Anat Baniel method practitioner. I work with children with developmental delays here in my office, but I also show parents just like yourself how to bring slow, gentle movements right into your own home to help support your child's natural development. Now, rolling over is a huge milestone for many of our kids. And one piece that can help your child's brain coordinate their entire bodies to help them roll over is the movement of their legs and their pelvis. I like to think of the pelvis like a giant ball that can roll in 3 dimensions. And as your child's brain discovers how to coordinate the rolling of the pelvis, guess what happens? The ability to coordinate the rolling of the pelvis will help your child's brain coordinate their entire body to help them roll over. Now, one way you can give your child quality input on the possibilities of how their pelvis can roll is through their leg. You can gently support their leg underneath the knee and simply sink one knee down to the floor and the other knee down to the floor in this rocking motion. And what you're looking for is because the legs are attached to the pelvis, you're actually looking for that rolling of the pelvis on the floor. As you're sinking one knee down and bringing the other knee a little bit up and over, sinking the other knee down and the opposite knee up and over, and you're just alternating back and forth, nice and slow, helping their brain feel what is it like to connect the leg with the pelvis. When they move their leg, what happens with the pelvis, that rolling of the pelvis? That's an integral foundational piece that their brain needs to experience and feel and be able to coordinate before they can roll all the way over. So you can help fill in any missing gaps in their brain's experience of how their pelvis and their leg is connected by starting with a super slow, gentle movement of alternating this movement of sinking one knee down, the other knee a little bit over, watching for that pelvis to rotate and roll like a ball, and then the other knee sinking down to the floor and the other knee over. And just be really careful that you're going super slow. You're supporting underneath the knee. So I would avoid doing the movement from the ankle. That's going to torque the knee. Make sure you're supporting under the knee. A gentle, slow movement of sinking the one knee down, the other knee's following a little bit up and over, and then the other knee down to the floor, the opposite leg following. And what you're really looking for is that rolling of the pelvis, because that is a quality experience your child's brain needs to know before their brain can piece together that complex movement of rolling over. Hopefully that's helpful. Go out and try this. Let me know down below if you tried it. I love hearing from you. And if you're looking for more movements to help your child learn to roll over, you can go check them out over here, and we will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.